So your stomach is like a balloon. It stretches out and it stretches in. And when you look in the mirror and you feel like you look pregnant, which happens to all of us women at times, that's more often than not, it's because you've got a lot of food in your intestines, and your stomach and your intestines are literally stretched. And so the thing is, though, that some of our hunger and satiety receptors are in our stomach. And one of the things that registers satiety is the stomach being full. So if you've been eating this much for years and that feels good to you, you always have a second serve of food or whatever, and then you go on a diet and you try and eat this much, guess what's going to happen? You're going to have a physical and a psychological sense of perceived deprivation. You're going to desire food because you know you've had less food and you want more food. So when I say eat more vegetables and dark leafy greens, we're basically tricking your body. We're going to stretch your stomach to where it likes being. The big difference is, instead of that backing up and being filled with calories and, you know, making us, some of us, constipated if we eat a lot of big, heavy, rich meals like that, but also causing the weight gain and the health issues, we're filling it up with ingredients that will very quickly clear through your tract. Your stomach will start to flatten out. You will get regular and great digestion, and then all the incredible health benefits of the vegetables and the dark leafy greens help you with diabetes, help you with reversing high blood pressure and high blood cholesterol, and you're losing weight, but you never feel deprived and you never feel hungry. So it is so important and so powerful. And so the trick is, you've got to find ways to make it delicious. And that's why I'm going on and on always in the members group about, you know, go to your farmer's market, buy the best stuff in season. You know, even if you pay more for it, you'll end up saving on eating out. You'll end up saving on, I mean, a lot of vegetables are the most inexpensive foods you can buy. So you can splurge on some exciting ingredients now and then. You know, the more you make it an experience, you make it delicious and appetizing, the more you're going to want to eat it. And so I'm really trying to show you in a lot of my photos of the members group how I keep it fresh and interesting and appetizing